Hey, what's going on, everyone? I just got this package in from Amazon, and I opened it up. I already kind of knew what to expect. It is a Venzo bike torque wrench. To be specific, Venzo bicycle bike 1/4 inch driver torque wrench Allen key tools socket set kit 2 to 24 Newton meters, small adjustable for $89.90. Okay, that's not right. Okay, so I bought mine for $59.97. Um, as I'm looking right now, it seems like they might be sold out because the only one listed is for like $89.90. So don't buy that. For anybody who does buy this, the reason I'm even going with this Venzo is the story. Originally, I ordered the Bike Tools equivalent, which is their 4th inch torque wrench set for around $70. I first got it in, everything was great. I had all the necessary pieces that I needed. Everything worked pretty well. And then all of a sudden, I was using the 5 millimeter socket. It got stuck inside, or the socket got stuck to the actual wrench, so I couldn't remove it. I pressed the button down, all that good stuff. Try to give it a little turn. It was stuck on there pretty good, and I don't really know exactly what happened. So I reached out to them. They said they would replace it or refund me the money. Before they even got back to me, I went ahead and got a refund and decided to try out the Venzo kit. It was $10 cheaper, maybe just a little better. I don't know. We'll find out. This is just a close-up, quick look of what comes in the set. Pretty much an unboxing. So when you get it out of the Amazon envelope, it's in a another envelope that says that right there. Stop turning when you feel a click. Click means the torque has reached preset value. For those that don't know how to use a torque wrench, it kind of tells you this is what it looks like. Comes in this nice, neat little, you can see right there. Slap that off. It's got that nice carrying case. Seems just as sturdy as the Pro Bike Tools one. Pretty much the exact same thing. I don't know if I think the lever or the latch on the Bike Tools, Pro Bike Tools was metal as well. To be expected, certificate of like calibration. Comes with all of the sets you see, or pieces you see right there. With the Venzo torque wrench kit, you get a 3 millimeter, 4 millimeter, 5, 6, 8, 10, T20, T25, T30, and a 5 mil extension. There you have your 1/4 inch torque, 2 to 24 Newton meters. Your conversion tables. Okay, date of calibration, February. It's heavier. It feels heavier than the Bike Tools. That might be a good sign. Okay, first thing I notice with the Venzo is that when you are adjusting the strength, the Newton meters, the Pro Bike Tools one is very tooled. It's very It's very specific. You can set it to 2.2 Newton meters, and it clicks right into place. It's actually really nice. This one doesn't seem to have that. You kind of dial in where you think it might be. You need to be in between the two markers. I feel like most people that are riding are capable of figuring that out, so that doesn't really bother me at all. Yeah, it seems to be pretty much like the other torque wrench, maybe a little more durable just off of the looks and the feel of it, but only time will tell. So stay tuned, and I'll maybe do a little review month in, or after I install my new fork. I'll just kind of give a quick shout and let y'all know whether or not it gave me any problems. But yeah, hopefully this helps. If you're looking to get one of these, then I hope they have them back in stock for you, or if not, I hope you can find some tools to help you get your bike back in working order so that you can get back out there on the trails. Thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe if you like the content. Peace out.